In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Citations plugin in Obsidian. If you do academic work, keep a reading list, or just want clean, consistent references in your notes, this plugin streamlines the whole process. We'll install it, turn it on, walk through the core commands, and finish by tailoring templates so your literature notes look exactly the way you want. Start by opening Obsidian and heading to the app's settings, which you'll find in the bottom left corner. In the sidebar, go to Community Plugins. This is where third-party tools live. Click Browse to open the community directory, then use the search bar to type Citations. When you see the Citations plugin, click Install, and after it finishes, click Enable. Once it's enabled, you'll see a Citations entry appear in your settings sidebar. That confirms it's active and ready. Inside the citation settings, visit the usage section. This is your guide to the plugin's commands and how they behave in your vault. It's helpful to glance through so you know which action does what before you start working in your notes. Now let's use it. Open a literature note from the plugin's commands. A literature note is a dedicated page connected to a single source, like a paper or book, where you collect your highlights, summaries, and thoughts. It keeps your ideas linked to the original reference so you can find and reuse them later. Next, insert a literature note reference. This drops a link to that note wherever your cursor is, giving you a clean, consistent way to point to the source page without copying paths or worrying about file names. When you want more than a link, insert the literature note content in the current pane. This brings the note's content directly into your active note, which is great for drafting and synthesis. It saves time hopping back and forth and helps you keep context while writing. When you need an in-text citation, insert a markdown citation. The plugin will place a properly formatted citation token for the source you choose, which you can later convert or render using your preferred citation tools. It keeps your writing consistent and makes it easy to update formatting across your notes. Finally, check the templates section in the citation settings. Here you can define how the title and content of your literature notes are generated. Use variables like author, year, and title to automatically populate metadata, section headers, or prompts you want to fill in each time. A thoughtful template makes your notes uniform and reduces the friction of getting started. That's it. Install, enable, explore usage, and then work with literature notes, references, content inserts, and markdown citations, all topped off with templates tailored to your workflow.